Good evening, guys. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how did I learn this language. Most of the people, they also know that from where I have learned this language. And in this day, everybody want to learn this language. But while learning this language, they face some kind of difficulties. They don't know how to start, where to start. So it was me also, I can say that when I have started my journey, I started my journey 2 years ago, and that time I faced so many difficulties. Honestly speaking, I didn't have any idea what is although my grammar part was good, I was good at grammar, but while speaking I used to face so many difficulties. I honestly speaking, I didn't have any idea. But one day in during the second pandemic, I was at home, and I just and I was browsing my mobile. At that time, I came across one video, and in that video, it was clearly mentioned that if you really passionate, if you are really eager to learn this language, so follow these tips. So, and actually that video was from Bengali to English. So because I come from West Bengal, so that's why I started learning English from that video, because the sir's method is also really very good, and the way sir teach English, it's really mind blowing, I can say that. So from there I get started my journey, and then I have a little bit idea that the concept of what is I can say that what is noun, what is pronoun, and then how to use sentence according to the subject verb agreement. And and after that, in in 2022, I made my mind, no, anyhow I wanna learn this language. I But I have whatever I want, whatever I have to do, I'll do everything. Whatever I have to do, I would do everything, but I would learn this language. From there, in 2022, from there, I have started my learning English journey, and I was really, at that time, I was really very serious about this language, very passionate about this language, and I took it as a challenge. No, within a 1 year, at least I would be fluent in this language. And after that, I had a one messenger group, and I used to practice with them. But and they are also learner, I am also learner, so I can say that I could communicate with them very easily. But when it comes to speaking, any stranger, I faced so many difficulties at that time. I can't express my thought. I couldn't speak a single word of English with anyone, with any strangers. When I go to my son's school, with I wanted to speak in English with my son's teacher, with my son's class teachers and principal, but I couldn't. I had a I can say that I had a one kind of hesitation. And after that, no, and what should I, and I realized, no, what should I do at that time? In I have noticed in 2023, there are so many YouTubers, they started their YouTube channel, and they started taking one session also, and they are very, and within 1 and 2 months they are very fluent in English, in this language. And I can say that what YouTube is a very good platform to enhance our fluency level, to enhance our skill levels, fluency level. So that's why in 2023 I created my channel. Honestly I didn't have any idea what kind of thumbnails should I make, what is thumbnails, and how to make that, no, I can say that I didn't have any idea how what should I write in description box, what kind of sentence should I use in description box, and then the title. But somehow people, I can say the people, they are like, those people who also they started watching my videos, and they, I get some motivation from them, and they told me, ma'am, no, you are speak very well now, you can you are a little bit fluent in English. Although I'm well speaking, I make mistakes, even that I, in these days also I make mistakes, but I took it as a challenge. No, I like, no, mistakes makes a mistakes is a cause for happiness. Makes a mistake like, cause for a happiness if you are eager to rectify your mistake. And that's why, and after that I started taking one session, and these days I can say that I'm really, I have a good command on this language. But sometimes also I face some kind of problems, because I have a like, I have a dearth of vocabulary. But and also apart from this, I would like to say something, that when I have created my channel, at that time Anisha ma'am, everybody knows her very well, she also supported me a lot, that Rimpi, you should speak like that way, and this kind of, you should make this kind of thumbnails. So she really supported me a lot. And these days I can say that now I am able to speak this language. And I did clappingo session also. There I did 12 session, and that session also was amazing. So overall, I can say that now when I have started my journey 2 years ago, I never thought that I would be able to speak. But these days, I can say that now I am able to speak English without hesitation. And then believe me, those people who are really worried, they are thinking that, no, I don't know from how can I learn this language. I don't have the environment, and in my surrounded all people speak my native language, whatever your language, like, no sir, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali. So they also started thinking, no so whatever we want to do in our first step, like, no, in our initial days we face some kind of problem, but doesn't mean that we can't learn this language, because it's not a rocket science. Believe me guys, if you are really like, no, if you are really eager to learn this language, if you devote your time to it, so definitely you can learn this language. It's not a rocket science, I can say it. Yeah. And so, and then, and most important is that mistakes, everybody like, no, very those people who want to start their journey in their initial, they think, no, if I make mistakes, any kind of mistake, people laugh at me, so how do I handle it, I can't face it. Don't think about those kind of people, those kind of bullies people. They always like, no, they, whatever you do, they will not be happy, they will, you can't make them happy. So this is your life, focus on your life. And when you can learn this language, when you have you will have a good command on this language, definitely those people who bullied you, they will appreciate you. So yeah, that's it. And just, if you are really passionate to learn this language, so you should start. There is, this is not a, like, no, rocket science. And remember, make this sentence in your mind, that like, no, perseverance is most important than perfection. So bye for now.